Are your WhatsApp contacts missing, or maybe they're just showing up as phone numbers instead of names? It is incredibly frustrating, but the good news is it's usually just a simple permission switch. I'm going to walk you through the 3 most common fixes to get your contacts back fast. Let's jump in. First, we need to make sure your phone is actually allowed to share contacts with WhatsApp. Head into your settings, scroll down to apps, and find WhatsApp. Tap on contacts. Even if this looks correct, toggle it off and back on. You want to make sure this is set to full access. If it was set to none, that was definitely your problem. Go check WhatsApp now. If the names are back, you're good to go. If not, we need to check your cloud sync. Sometimes WhatsApp has permission, but your phone itself has lost the contacts from the cloud. To fix this, go back to the top of your settings. Tap your name/Apple ID, tap on iCloud, then under Save to iCloud, tap See All. Make sure Contacts is toggled on. If it's off, your phone isn't downloading your numbers from Gmail or iCloud, which means WhatsApp can't see them. Now, if you've done both of these and it still isn't working, do not skip this step. There's a hidden restriction in screen time that often blocks this. Go to your main settings menu and find screen time. Tap on that. Scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. Look for contacts. If this says don't allow changes, your phone is blocking WhatsApp from updating. Tap it and switch it to allow changes. Honestly, unless you are strictly managing a child's device, I recommend just toggling content privacy restrictions completely off to avoid this headache. If you're still stuck, we have to use the final fix, deleting and reinstalling the app. But wait, before you delete anything, you must back up your chats or you'll lose them forever. In WhatsApp, tap on your profile icon and go to settings, go to chats, and chat backup. Tap backup now, and wait for it to finish. Once and only once it reaches 100%, you can long press the WhatsApp icon, delete the app, and reinstall it from the App Store. When you log back in, it will force a refresh of your contacts list. Ever wonder how to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram? Watch this now.